Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm gonna show you how to send money with PayPal internationally to another country. First of all you have to do is sign in into your PayPal account. From here you have to select send and request. Click on it. A new page will open. You have to make sure that you have set it to send, and then you have to type in the name or the username or the email or the phone number of the person that you want to send money internationally. Okay, I have selected the person. From here, what I can do, I can also change the currency from this drop down list. For example, I will select the Russian ruble, and here I can see the conversion rate of 1 USD equals this much. So if I type $5, as you can see, it is converted into 428 of the Russian currency. And then what you have to do is click on next. From here you have to choose a payment type for goods and services, for friends and family. I will set it for goods and services, and I will click on continue. And after that, PayPal will ask you some verification questions, and then you have successfully sent your money with PayPal internationally to another country. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.